Hi everyone, Miss Jamie's class. I want to show you guys how to turn in an assignment in Google Classroom because I see a lot of y'all were having trouble with Jami, and it's very simple if you follow these steps. So here we are in Google Classroom, right, in Miss Jamie's classroom. So if you notice in Stream, guys, if you remember, this is where Miss Jamie is going to put only announcements and things like that. You cannot turn work in from here. You need to go to class work, okay? Now, if you're like me, all of this is a little bit overwhelming, so it could make you it could distract you a little bit. So focus on these topics that Ms. Jamie's putting. So for social studies, and right now you guys are still working and you're still working with the whipping boy. So just to give you a very quick example, let's go to whipping boy. And the easiest way, something that helps me a lot, is to focus on the little pictures. You see this little clipboard? That's telling me that I have some assignments, okay? So I'm going to go to the bottom, and I'm not going to go to this one. I'm going to go to this one. If you notice, there's a video that was assigned. I needed to click here. And then this video was something that I needed to turn in. So you notice, I'm going to go back. I clicked on the little picture. Okay, focus on the little picture. Then it opens the assignment, and this is what you need to watch. Okay, you can open it. Let me see. Well, no, guys, I'm sorry. That was a video, so not necessarily you didn't have to turn in that one. Okay, so when you watch it, you need to click turn in. That's what it is. When you watch a video and there's nothing that you really have to do with that video, just turn it in so that your teacher sees that you watched it, okay? Let's see, I'm looking for an assignment. Okay, so that's the video. And that's something that I posted. Again, I'm looking for this little orange pictures. So you see that's something that we're missing. So let's click on this one. Okay, again, there is a file there that needs to be turned in. So I'm looking, this is the instructional video, some of the text that Ms. Jamie posted on there, and then this is an assignment in Jami. So this is the work, okay? So I'm going to click on it. If you notice, I can't type anything on it, so I have to open it with Jami. Okay? When you get to this page, you're going to allow, and that opened it by itself, guys. I just didn't click on anything. I gave it some time. You're going to allow Google Drive. Okay. I used his email. Let it just open on its own. I guess, I don't know. Let's see. I'm a student. I guess they needed to know that. Okay. Okay, so if those steps appear to you, just go ahead and do what I did. But right here, this is Jami. Right here, if you need to type, you need to get the text box. And then you can put a text box here, and then you can type your answer. I see that a lot of y'all have already done that. Once you are done with your homework, okay, you click turn in. You have to turn it in to be able to give it to your teacher, okay? Let's look at another example. Okay, that was lesson 22. I hope this is helping you guys. Again, I'm going to focus on this. Let's do lesson 23. I think only had a video. Oh, no. It had a video, but you see there's some assignments here that I needed to do. Okay? So you click on it. You had to read that. Okay? Obviously, since it's rating, I'm not going to really have to work on anything, but I'm sure you guys have an exit ticket here. This one, I'm going to open with Jami. You see it's not asking me all those questions that it did in the beginning. So once you do it, I guess once, that's all you really have to do, okay? So if you notice, one of the students was already working on this, but they did not turn it in. So it's important to turn it in, because even though you may work on it, but if you don't turn it in, it won't go to Miss Jami. So you need to click turn in. Again, focus on the little pictures and then do your work and then turn it in. Okay? I hope this helps. Comment below if it helped you.